So today we're going to talk about payments that can be excluded if you're trying to buy a home and there's issues with your debt to income. Let's say you've co-signed for student loans for your child or for a family member. If that family member is making the payments and they can provide 12 months proof that it comes out of their account solely, then the payment can be excluded. The same can be said for like an auto loan. If you co-sign for a family member, you must make sure that the family member pays out of their own account the payment and that there's 12 months of on-time payments being made. If you're on a joint account with that family member and they're making the payments, but your name's on the account for some reason, they will not exclude that payment since your name is on the bank account that it's being paid from. So there's some critical things if you do have any co-signing of student loans, car payments, anything else that you maybe have done for a family member. For those to be excluded, the payment must come from the person who's making the payment from their sole individual account, and we have to show 12 months proof of payments. If you have any questions on what can be excluded or if there's going to be any complication, please feel free to reach out to me. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.